Introducing the History Pack, a complete storytelling toolkit designed to bring the past to life and transform the way you share history on screen. With over 150 plus professionally crafted assets across 13 versatile categories, you'll have everything you need to create engaging timelines, highlight key events, showcase historical figures, and visualize complex ideas with clarity and impact. Every element is drag and drop, fully customizable, and built to save you time. Adjust animation speed, text, and design directly from the edit page. No keyframes required. Each asset adapts seamlessly to any resolution, frame rate, or aspect ratio, giving you total creative freedom across platforms. Perfect for educators, documentary filmmakers, and creators alike. The History Pack helps you design compelling narratives that capture attention and make history unforgettable. Unlock the power of storytelling with the History Pack for Davinci Resolve.